Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to enable the header, how to enable the headings or turn on the headings on your Microsoft Excel web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So how to turn on the header or how to enable the headings on your Microsoft Excel web. So first of all, open the sheet that you want to turn on. So now you can see what are the header and headings. So the top you can see the heading ABCD or 1 2 3 has been missing, but you can still have a formula because the cells has been customized like G8 like that. So but you just need that to have a glance. So you just want to turn it on. So here you will, on the home section, you just want to switch to the view section on the top. So here there will be option called show. In this show option, there will be a heading will be turned off. You just want to turn it on. You just want to click this. So which instantly brings or enable the heading or header section of the Excel sheet. You can see the ABCD all come and the 1 2 3 has all have been here. It's showing. So you just want to click on the view section and just turn it on, the ticking the headings turn on. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.